Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have one of my favorite padlocks, just a comfort lock. It is the Sesame Series 900. There's the key. I got this from my good buddy Snake. He made it happen for me. I couldn't find this lock in Canada, and he found it in the U.S. on Amazon, I believe, for me, or somewhere. I'm not sure where he found it, but he found it for me, and I love it. I don't know why. I just love it. It picks. It just picks so precise. It's a nice. It's a nice pick. Just picks so smooth. I don't know. I just really love it. But there you have it, guys. The Sesame 900 has been picked. Maybe I'll do a gut sometime soon. But for now, that's all I got for you. Appreciate you guys watching. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. I'll catch you later. Ciao, guys.